So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about plugins and widgets. It's a good thing to understand. So if you go to your dashboard there and you go to, let's see, Appearance, then you have the option to go to where your widgets are installed. Now a widget is installed when you, and certain plugins have widget functionality. Let me explain the difference between plugins and widgets. So this calendar here is a plugin that we've activated, and it functions in this way that you can enter dates. But what we have on the sidebar here are what are called widgets, and sometimes you can have a plugin act as both in the main content area, like my calendar, but you can also say activate the widget for that plugin and it'll function in the sidebar also. I think you might be able to get just very specific widgets as plugin functions that are just function as a widget, I should say. But in any case, to navigate to where your widgets are, you go to your dashboard. I was already there, but I'm going to go back to show you. And then you mouse over Appearance, and then you can see, you can navigate right to the widget area. And then once it's in there, you'll see on the left under Appearance, you can go to the other appearance options, but it's just the widgets here. So with this particular theme, and different WordPress themes function a little different, but you have the primary widget area. And you see on your site, I have set up Find Me, that's social media, Facebook and YouTube. I put your links there. I put an email newsletter link and a donation link to your PayPal, and then archives. So here's where it is on the back end. We navigated to Appearance, Widget, and so this is the primary widget area. And see, it says social links, and you can do a downward arrow and rename the title, etc. And with the email newsletter, basically I just put an image in there that I uploaded, and then I linked it to the contact page. PayPal donation, that's a particular widget. It says there are no options for this widget, but actually for the PayPal donation, you can go to Settings, and it should be under PayPal donation. I'm just going to navigate there since we're talking about this particular widget, and that's where I put your PayPal address there. So it's pretty simple. So I'm going to go back to Themes, Appearance Themes, Widgets, and just show you a little bit more on that. So what you can do once you're in this widget area, you can drag things around. So right now you can see on your page that Find Me at Facebook and YouTube. By the way, this is just one of the ones I use. You can get lots of different social media widgets that'll say, they stylize it a little differently. That could be a little more sexier with bigger icons and things like that. But these are the ones I used. The thing about WordPress is there's lots of options. But just to kind of to edit that area, you can just drag and drop. So this is the available widgets as per what you uploaded with the different plugins. Say if I wanted a list of all the pages on the site, I could drag it and drop it in this area, and we'll see what happens when we do this. Okay, title, I can just call this Pages, and sort by page title. I could exclude some of the pages if I want. I'm going to do a save, and then you'll see on your page that on the sidebar there, well, I'll have to refresh here for a sec. There we have pages. So there's all the same pages that are up top. You have those pages on your sidebar because we put that as a widget. But we're just going to delete that. Oh, well, another thing I want to show you is we could change the order of that. Whatever widget you have in there, you can just change the order by just dragging, and let's put it up top, dropping. So now it's been reordered. So let's see what happens on the right when we do a refresh. If those pages pop up to the top, we'll see. It's refreshing. There they are. So we know it works, doesn't it? So we're just going to delete that because we don't want it really on your site. So I'm just going to delete it, and then it'll be gone. Hopefully. Let's see if it behaved properly. So there it is, it's gone. So you had been asking about these Showbiz blinks and this house network. So what you could do, I mean, they might have their own widget, but you could create a little sidebar, like right, you know, so in this area you could say, check out my house concerts, and if you're signed up with these guys, you might have an account, and you can make a little graphic with a link, and like for any, like this particular, like the email newsletter, I didn't use a specific plugin, I just used the text, where is it here, hold on, yeah, arbitrary text or HTML, I dragged that in there, and then I pasted in the little icon that I designed for your email newsletter. Let's see, I'll show you where it is. It's right there, subscribe. I designed that, and then I put a, you know, when I saved that into the media library, I had a link that went right to the contact page. Well, this is getting a little more sophisticated for you, but in any case, there's lots of ways to modify your sidebar there with widgets, and even if the Slowbliz site doesn't have a plugin, you can just create a little graphic for it once you have your account. And if just similar to what we did with the subscribe here, you could have a Slowbliz graphic, and then you could paste it in and position it wherever you want on your site. So there's lots, it has a lot of flexibility with WordPress, and just give me a call if you need any help.